Now the working principle of hinged armature tap relay. In hinged armature tap relay, you can see the construction. There is an electromagnet consisting of coil which is wrapped around an iron core. This is iron core. There is a moving armature in this hinged armature tap relay. This is the moving armature. One end of this moving armature is connected to a hinge. As the moving armature can be moved, this is the hinge. In order to close the trip circuit, this moving armature must be moved downwards to reduce the reluctance. And if this moving armature moved downwards, then this moving contact will get connected with the fixed contact, and therefore the trip circuit will be closed. You can see a spring here. So this spring provides the restraining force. What is restraining force? Restraining force is the force of a spring, which is opposite of operating force. And this restraining force keeps the gap between the moving contact and fixed contact under normal operating condition. So it keeps the gap between the moving contact and fixed contact under normal operating condition. You can see a stop here. So what is the function of this stop? This stop is used to reduce the gap between the core and moving armature. This is the gap between the core and moving armature. So this stop is used to reduce the gap between the moving armature and this core. So what happens if the gap becomes high, if the gap becomes more, then more magnetic energy will be required to close the trip circuit. More magnetic energy will be required to move this moving iron downward, right? This means there will be more magnetic energy needed to close this trip circuit. So when supply is provided to this coil, coil is energized and magnetic flux is produced, right? Magnetic flux is produced. Now what happens under fault condition and normal condition? Under normal condition, the value of input current is very less, so magnetic force generated by the electromagnet, and we know the magnetic force is proportional to the operating current. So under normal condition, operating current is less. This means the magnetic force is also less, and this less magnetic force or operating force is not sufficient to attract this moving armature downwards. So under normal operating condition, basically the restraining force will be high, and due to this restraining force, this moving armature cannot move downwards further to reduce the reluctance, and if this moving armature cannot move downward further, the moving contact cannot get close with the fixed contact, right? On the other hand, what happens during fault condition? During fault condition, the value of current will be high. If the value of current is high, this means the operating force will be high. If the operating force is high, then this moving armature will be moved downwards, and due to this movement of this moving armature downwards, this moving contact of this moving armature will be moved downwards to get connected with this fixed contact. So when moving contact and fixed contact get connected, then the trip circuit will be closed, and if the trip circuit is closed, then trip coil will be energized, and due to the energized of trip coil, it will further open the moving contact of circuit breaker. This is how a hinged armature trap relay works.